Hello everyone, this is TAO MA from Wuhan 3DCeram Technology. I will share with you about how 3DCeram is doing in China. Our company is representing 3DCeram Cinto in China since 2016. We are located at Wuhan city in central China. Wuhan 3DCeram Technology has a local team to serve more and more clients from technical consulting, sales, installation, and after-sales service. Regarding installation and after-sales services, our technical team has been trained by 3DCeram Cinto's team, which allow us to answer the majority of our clients' requests autonomously. It becomes a very big benefit for our clients to solve their problem quickly, especially under the pandemic context. 3DCeram is one of the few pioneers of ceramic 3D printing on the Chinese market. Our clients in China are from fields such as university and institutes, industrial manufacturers, biomedical producers. Ceramic additive manufacturing is still at a very beginning stage. The key point is to find correct applications with perfect match between efficiency and cost, and which will be a thruster to push the whole industry forward. We are committed to assisting our clients in developing their products and trying to bring more and more people to think with the AM philosophy. We strongly believe that ceramic AM will have its own glory time in the coming future with the hard work of us and other colleagues. We look forward to serving you soon, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.